Hey everybody, welcome. I just sent out my test box for the Texas snack box. So if you're interested in Texas snacks, check that out on Facebook, YouTube. Actually, this is the YouTube. Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And this video is for the Japancrate. This is the November 2019 box. They've already shipped the December one, but I just got this one, and today is November 25th, and it kind of takes a while to get here. But this is the premium box. This is a really nice box. It's large. There's on this side, it has all their social media links, and then has their website down here. And then down here on the bottom, it says "We love you" in Japanese and English. And then here's all the shipping information. Don't look at my address unless you want to send me stuff. But let me go ahead, and this is my first time getting the Japancrate. So let's see what is in this. This is my unboxing video for the November 2019 Japancrate. All right, so I cut it, open it up. Uh-oh. Experience Japan through candy, because my fat ass needs a bunch of candy. Oh wow, Japancrate, look at that. What? Oh, this is why I bought the Japancrate, because it has an envelope that I could win a prize. So let's see. Let's see what it says. It's a really nice envelope. And it says, I won a $3 gift card to the Japancrate store. $3 gift card. I bought a 3-month subscription for $99. So, $3. Okay. It's better than nothing. And this thing is loaded. All right. So, here's a card for the November. It's like a little brochure. Holy crap, this is amazing. So there's a mini box, the original box, and a premium box, and the premium has everything, and that's what I went for. And there's so much stuff in here. Holy crap. Let's see. So there's some Cheetos, these are Happiness Honey Cheese Cheetos. That sounds delicious. And then we have Gyoikuro and Matcha Salt Pride Potato. So these are some new chips. And then here's a beverage. It's a mixed soda. Looks like an apple soda. It's a melon mixed soda. Melon mix. So that'll be delicious to drink. There's a little pudding flavored jelly. Some corn paliki. This is soba meshi, yokosoba rice. It's a rice snack. There's like a little gum. Some Chico-chan Fuzen gum. This looks like a soda, a sour cola gummy. This is a sherbet Pero cider candy. Features powder that quickly turns into a refreshing soda candy when it's put in your mouth for a fizzy treat. There's so much stuff in here. Some more gum. This packaging is amazing. This is Kanikoba old-fashioned Japanese sweet. Features kineko. It's a roasted soybean flour mochi. Some gummy candies. Oh man, my God, it doesn't end. There's like a jelly. Ooh, these look delicious. These look little pancakes. Maple hotcakes. And some little, ooh, bourbon. What does the box say? Chocolate melon bread. I don't know whether there's bourbon on the hat. This is Sonoma soda. It's Ramune gum. It contains 3 round-shaped gum balls. 1 of 3 is sour, but it can only be revealed when tasting and chewing. So 1 of the 3 of these is a sour one. It's a surprise. Oh, wow. This looks delicious, too. This is a mini Enema angel pie. Look how delicious that looks. Just like chocolate and cream. And then the last thing, it's a big bag of autumn potato Kit Kats. Bask your taste buds in another fall release of limited edition Kit Kats from Nestle Japan. These ones are made with sweet potato flavored white chocolate, the perfect tasty combination to remind us all that fall is upon us. Oh my God. This is amazing. This is totally worth, and there's like some nice tissue paper. The box has like manga cartoons in it. Here, I'll show you. See, here's the box with there's like some cartoons, and this is wonderful. You can tell, and like the pamphlets telling you about some festivals going on and some tournaments. You can learn some Japanese. This is a great box. It tells you about the products. Wow, you can hashtag Japancrate to be featured in next month's issue. So this is amazing. Oh, and so I could have won one of these crazy prizes. Yeah, this is amazing. This is your good treats that will last me a while. I'm very excited for this. So that's the unboxing of the premium November 2019 Japancrate. I'm like a fat kid in a candy store in Japan. Awesome.